Hey, everybody, and welcome back for your week 15 of PE. So, I hope that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving break and got to eat some good food and have a nice little break from things and are re energized and ready to go until our next break in a couple weeks. So, this week in PE, the students are doing the holiday shop. It's our favorite time of the year at PE where we get to spend our time shopping for others, family, friends. So, what you're going to see today is first the informational letter. So, if you click on that letter, right, it gives some information for you. So, it talks about the holiday shop and it gives some information for students who are shopping on school campus. And then here's where it applies for you, students who have the option to shop from home. So you would go to this web link right here to buy exciting gifts for everyone on your list. Parents, try not to peek when your student wants to purchase a gift for you. Be sure to fill in all the school and student information when you are checking out. And then your holiday gifts will be delivered to the school, and when we will let you know when your holiday gifts have arrived. So you have that option. You also have the option of coming in, scheduling a time with me where you can come in and actually go like we've done in the past, walk around, take a look at things, and purchase anything that you might be interested in. There are only certain times available, so if you think that is something you want to do, then you will need to contact me through email, right? best.tabitha@brevardschools.org, and I will work with you to see to try to set up a time when it would be before school, most likely when the other students are not shopping. So if you can make it work from home and check that link out, that would be awesome. Um, and if you find that you need to come in and shop, then like I said, just make contact with me and we'll see what we can get done. The next link you have is a holiday shop video of items for sale. So for you guys, I kind of went through table by table and just tried to kind of show you what items are available. And again, if you go online, you're going to see these. The prices range from as cheap as 50 cents, right, to up to $18. So you're going to kind of see here, you go through this video, so it's 50 cents. This is what you would see on the 75 cents table. And then, if you need to take a better look at this table, just pause it so that you could take a look at it, right? And then you could go back and play it. So, get back out of there. So that's the holiday shop video, right? That you can go through and take a look at all the things available for you to purchase. Um, the next thing on your classroom list this week is, like I said, the students at school, they are going to be using their time to walk around and make some purchases. And so we're integrating some math in there with the price of the items and talking about budgeting, not overspending. And there is no sales tax. So the price you see is the price you pay. And so that's pretty much their activity this week. So for you, since if you are going to shop virtually, then I would use this time, PE time, to do your shopping online. If you are not shopping online or not going to shop, then I created this holiday escape room that you can go through and try to help me escape, right? And so it says click on me for directions, but there's no speaking directions, right? You just click on me and then choose an exercise. Click on the reindeer when you are done, and you're going to exercise until the music stops. So let's say that I pick this one. So I choose my exercise. Here's my music. So I'm going to play my music. If it would work. Let's see here. Hold on one second. So here we go. So I chose my exercise. So I'm going to do that until the music stops. Okay. Whoops. So I'm going to keep going till the music stops. So let's go back to that. Right. So go do those exercises. And then when the music stops, click on the reindeer when you are done. So we're going to pretend we're finished. So we're going to click on the reindeer. And then it says, great job. Click on the candy cane to get your next clue. So I'm going to click on the candy cane. And here we go. Move any way you want. Exercise until the song ends. So choose which exercise you want to do. Okay? So you have a couple different options this time around to choose some things. There we go. Um, on your in your classroom here. So let's see. So I'm either going to go online and virtually shop because that's what my classroom would be doing this week in PE. Or if I'm not virtually shopping, then I can get in some exercise and do a little bit of an activity with the holiday escape room. So hopefully, right, you are going to be shopping with us and purchasing some great gifts for your family and friends and learning about how much things cost and staying within your budget. And because I know every year this is the students look forward to the holiday shop and getting to buy for others and picking things out. So I hope you have a great experience with that as well. And if not, or even if you finish early, then go ahead and try that escape room, something different, fun, get you exercising, moving, and grooving for your 40 minutes. All right, gang, I will see you next week with our new activity, our new unit of instruction. Have a great week. Have a great day. See you later.